Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here from Serpent X Tech, and I had an interesting moment just happen just now. My boys are out here, you know, playing their video games and whatever, and this end cabinet right here has been here since I was renting the home, and I, eventually bought it. So the previous owner left it here. I didn't really do anything with it, right? We got some nice little art piece here, had some wine glasses up here, whatever. Well, all of a sudden I was chilling, and we heard a loud crash and glass break. And so I come out here, and this entire top piece, which is a ½ inch thick, I would say, fell onto the side rig right here, which is the LHR and full hash rate GPUs. Now, thanks to EVGA's backplate, you can see there's a little nick right here in the corner, but it didn't hit the PCB. It didn't break anything on the PCB. It hit the backplate, so the metal backplate, thanks to EVGA, took the most of the hit, plus obviously the corner of the frame. And everything is still operational, thank goodness. I shut down everything, got this back up there, put some wood glue, put some weight on the back, and that's back to normal. The picture and the wine glasses that were on top of it are broken, but I'm not too concerned about that. I want to just say that these modern GPUs are so much more durable than back in the day. If this was early 2000s, late 90s type GPUs, any type of hit would have definitely broken these cards, right? So these old school cards right here, no backplate, no protective shroud, the heat sinks are very small. Those type of GPUs would have been done. But because these GPUs are so protected by beefy heat sinks, backplates, and everything in the modern day, not only to help dissipate heat, but to help protect it, that just took a hit from 4 feet, maybe 4 feet, ½ inch, maybe about 7 to 10 pounds of wood right on it, and it's still going. So just a little interesting story I wanted to share with you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Make sure obviously wherever you have your mining rigs, make sure everything is nice and secure. Don't leave anything that might be loose or possibly could fall onto your rigs. I didn't expect that to, but I learned my lesson. That's gonna do it for today's video. Please do me a favor on the way out, hit the like button. Don't forget to get subscribed, hit the notification bell to stay up to date, as well as check out links in the description. And as you can see, everything is ramping back up as the turbo fans kick in. Take care.